Hello everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. Today we are going to make 3 summer recipes using pearl barley. We are in a beautiful summer days, but it's getting more hot every day, and you are commenting me to see more easy, healthy summer recipes that doesn't require much cooking. So here it is. I'm gonna share 3 recipes using barley. I already soaked it in water overnight. And then I cooked in my pressure cooker for about half an hour and let it cool completely. And it is cooled down right now. I'm gonna make 3 recipes. The first 2 will be salads, one with yogurt and one without yogurt. I'm gonna add some pickles, grilled red pepper, corn, cooked chickpeas, and I have this pickled red cabbage that I have in the fridge. I shared the recipe, so let's begin. So for the salads, I'm gonna drain some of the water. So I'm going to put it in a colander and let it drain. And meanwhile, I'm gonna chop my pickles and red peppers. After cutting into 4, I diced the pickles and the grilled red peppers. Usually when it's the season, I grill them and put it into freezer to use year long. I got 2 bowls. I'm gonna change the second one. I thought it's gonna be enough. First portion out the barley, and then the grilled red peppers, pickles, and cooked corn kernels. To one of them, I added cooked chickpeas, again from the freezer, and pickled red cabbage. And to the other one, I added full-fat yogurt. You can also add some mayonnaise. Seasoned them with some salt, parsley to the one with chickpeas, dried mint to the yogurt, chili flakes, pul biber to both of them. As a dressing to the one with chickpeas, I added more olive oil, pomegranate molasses, sumac, some more chopped parsley, and lots of lemon juice, and mix it well. After mixing the yogurt and barley salad, I decided to add some mayonnaise and more chili flakes. If you have any ideas what else you would add or prefer for the salads, write down in the comments. The third recipe is the soğuk çorba, cold yogurt soup. This is the easiest one. In a bowl, I added pearl barley. This time you don't have to drain. Some cooked chickpeas and lots of yogurt. Season it with some salt, dried mint, and mix. Diluted it with cold water to have a thick soup consistency, and you can also add some ice cubes to keep it cold and fresh. I want to add an extra crunchiness and richness to my yogurt base barley salad. So I coarsely chopped my walnuts, and in a small pan I heated up some olive oil. Added less than teaspoon paprika and chopped walnuts. Just saute it for about 30-40 seconds until it sizzles. Along with these salads, I also made sesame covered cheese filled pochas. It was okay, but my expectations were more, so I decided to not to share the recipe with you and going to try a couple of more times and then share it hopefully. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna taste from the salads. First, let me give to my daughter. She's been waiting. She helped me a lot today. Let me taste from the one with yogurt first. Very delicious and light. Make sure to include the walnut topping. It completes it, make it even richer. So delicious. And the next one, the red cabbage gives a lot of flavor. So the chickpeas, it's the third day of it here, and the markets didn't have much fresh ingredients, so I couldn't find fresh dill and parsley. If I would add to both of them to give more flavor, but it is delicious like this too. Which one did you like most? She loved both. Perfect. Okay, this is it, my friends. If you have any ideas for a summer salad, give your thoughts in the comment section. I really love barley, and this one I already know. Let me just get a spoonful and give you my thoughts. Very refreshing, easy. For hot summer days, you can just eat even only this and it would be enough. Very delicious. If you try my recipes, please don't forget to share it in the comment section, and you can share your photos from my Instagram account, Turkish Food and Travel, and see you next time. Afiyet olsun.